In this video, I'm going to create a faceless language channel. First of all, I need to choose a name for my channel. I've decided to make an English teaching channel aimed at French-speaking learners. My channel will be called Parler English. When I have an idea for a name, I always check whether the domain name and YouTube handle are already taken. Ideally, it's best to have similar channel names, domain names, and YouTube handles. In case I want to develop the Parler English brand, having similar names will make it more consistent and identifiable. But if the domain name or handle is different from the brand name, it's no big deal. I go to Hostinger to check if the domain name is taken. Hostinger is my provider of choice, but all domain name providers are pretty much the same. It's available, so I'll be able to buy it. To check if a handle is available, I type the handle into the YouTube search bar. Note, as I'm writing the script, I've already created my channel, so I'll take another example of a handle, for example, @Dieter English. Next, I click on Filter, then in Type, I select Channel. The Dieter English handle doesn't exist yet, so I'll be able to use it. Let's get back to creating a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, you need a Google account. I click on Create an account. I choose for my personal use, but you can also choose for my company if you have one. I enter all the information requested. Take the time to read the information carefully, terms and conditions, etc. And that's it, my Google account is created. Now I click on the Applications tab and click on YouTube. I click on the icon for my Google account and on Create a Channel. Here's my channel name and handle. I now have a YouTube channel called Parler English. Now I'm going to create the design of my channel on Canva. We'll start with the logo. I click on Create a Design, then in the search bar, I type logo. I choose YouTube channel logo. Canva offers logo templates, which are very useful if you're not a professional designer or if you don't have any ideas. I select this template. I'll modify the text and the image in the center. And that's it, my logo is done. I export it in PNG format. I think the JPEG format is also supported on YouTube. Now I'm going to upload it to my YouTube channel. To do this, I click on Customize Channel. In the picture section, I click on Upload and choose my logo. I click on Publish. And voila, it's visible on my channel. Now I'll make the YouTube banner. Once again, Canva makes it easy for me. In Design, in the search bar, I type YouTube. I choose YouTube banner. The size of this page represents the banner, but note that the image appears in its entirety on a TV screen. Depending on the screen, some parts may not be visible. So you need to put what you want to appear on all screens, TV, computer, tablet, smartphone in the center. You can refer to the display dimensions and use the ruler in Canva to delimit the parts. To use the ruler, click on File, Settings, and Show Ruler. I've created a template that I use every time I need to make YouTube banners to go faster. You can download it from my website. The link is in the description. I upload the template to my project. I click on Transparency and reduce the opacity. The red part is the one that appears on all screens, so I place the important images in this part. Then I select and delete the template. And that's it. My banner isn't fancy, but it'll do the job. I click on Share, then Download, and choose the PNG format. Now I go back to YouTube in Channel Customization and upload my banner. I click on Publish. My channel takes shape. Now I'm going to change my channel's presentation text. I click again on Customize Channel. In the description section, I write a text. I click on Publish. Here's the text that can be read on my channel. Now I'm going to create and post my first video. If you don't have an idea for your script, you can use ChatGPT to help you. My first video will be a short, and once again, I'm going to use Canva to create it. I click on Create Design, then in the search bar, I type Short. I select YouTube Shorts. Canva offers me templates, but I'm going to create my shorts myself. I'm not going to show and explain every step of creation, but if you'd like me to make a tutorial explaining how to make this type of short, write language shorts in the comments. I created the voiceover with an AI text-to-speech tool, from which I created an MP3 file. I upload this file to my project and add it below the video. Then I export the short in MP4 format. I click on Create and then upload a video. I upload the short, give it a title, write a description, select the right parameters, and add tags. And voila, my video is online. I did all this in about 1 hour and 30 minutes. It may take you longer if you're a beginner, but normally you should be able to create your faceless language channel and post your first video fairly quickly and easily. I have one thing to ask you. Please don't subscribe to my language channel to help it grow. I want to grow it organically. Thanks in advance.